This is a 2006 Nissan Frontier truck. I'm gonna do the headlights. Let's give me before I do the buffing compound or the cleaning process of the oxidation of the light. This is before. I am using the attachment for a drill, starting off with the 500 grit, and I'll work my way up with the, once I get both headlights done, work my way up with the 800 grit. Once I get both headlights done, move to the 3000 grit, and then it comes with a polishing compound here, and using this attachment to put the compound onto here to buff the headlights for the last step of getting the headlights cleaned up. Alright, I'll be back. This is the first pass with the 500 grit of the sanding disc. So yeah, they get a little bit more foggy because I knocked off the yellow stuff. That's what you see all over the side of the truck here and everything. Close this up. I just kind of topped it off. And then yeah, so it'll come out like that. Don't worry about it. It'll come out once you start buffing it all out. So next step is the 500 or 800 grit, which I attached on here already. Is 800. So here we go. Just a quick update. I mean, this difference here on the progress is that's still at 800 grit. I just got done on that side. I did the 800, and then I used the 3000 grit and you know, paper or the sponge or whatever it's called, but in its 3000 grit, you can already see it's coming clear. After I do this one onto that side with the 3000 grit, it should look like that side there. And then the final process is buffing with the buffing compound here. So you can tell it's not yellow no more. All that yellow tint came out from the oxidation. So now it's gonna do the side with that 3000 grit, and hopefully get cleaned up. Once that's done, then I can go start polishing. And once polishing is done, clean it and then dry it, and then make sure we get the sealant on there. All right. Well, here's the result. Just got done buffing it, buffing it out. This side is not buffed yet. That's how it looks without it being buffed. This is with the 3000 grit. Once I buff it out, it'll look like that. And then this packet comes with the this packet came with the polishing compound on this side, but I didn't use it. This side comes with the sealant that's already like on a wet wipe type of deal, and I'll seal in the headlight here once you're done and give it more of a clear shine. But I'm just using this for now to get the headlights all polished up. Feels pretty good. Well, here's the finished result so far. The last thing I got to do is just throw on that what do you call it, sealer onto the headlights. But yeah, that's the finished product. Got the headlights pretty cleaned up and everything. Looks pretty good. But I think I'll do one more pass of the compound, buffing compound, just to get it one more cut, I guess, with the lenses, but mainly just the front part. I'm not really worried about the side here, just the front. Yeah, just the front part here.